Hey friends, if you wish to fix the Windows Smart Screen can't be reached right now error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection. Go to fast.com and hit enter to check the internet connection speed on fast.com. Okay. The next solution is to disable proxy. Okay, so press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Now go to the connections tab, select LAN settings. Make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use a proxy server is unchecked. The next solution is to scan for malware. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT, and then this will open the malware removal tool. Click on next, choose full scan, click on next and then let it run through. The last solution is to update Windows, so right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.